Hello friends, welcome to my channel Programming with Riyad. So, I will cover the 7th part of HTML. It is my 8th part, and in this part, I will telling you what is a default browser style using only HTML, no CSS used. So, I hope you enjoy this class, and the HTML full form is helper, text, markup, language, and I hope you enjoy this class. Enjoy. Please like the video, share your friends, and subscribe to my channel. So I will not take a long time. So let's start. So in this class I will telling my default browser style. So now let's start the video. So now I will build that in my next video. Okay. So now here I will telling you default browser. So first of all here we can write default browser. Default browser style, save, go here, refresh. So first of all, I will tell you what is mean of default browser. Default browser means like Sublime Text Editor and many things, and I will make that project in my next class. You can share and you can read, and not you will not build that. Okay, like it. I will only explain you what is default browser style. Default browser means default browser like Sublime Text Editor, Visual Code Studio, Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, many things else like Chrome, anything. It is a default browser like Chrome, Google, and Opera. It is a default browser. Okay, you guys work on that. Okay, it is a default browser. What is style? Style is that you can style anything to using on HTML and CSS. You can style the anything in then only that page you can style anything. It is a style. Default browser mean I will default browser style mean default browser mean Chrome. I will tell you Chrome, anything, Opera, Internet Explorer, anything you can use to watch the YouTube. So it is all the browser. Okay, and style means you can use HTML and CSS and CSS use and style the thing. It is called the style. And you can use HTML style the thing. It is called the style. Okay, so it is. I will only explain you default browser style in this video. Oh, you can understand till here. I hope default browser means I will tell you another time. Default browser means Opera, Google Chrome, and Opera, Internet Explorer, then many things else. It is a Google Chrome. It is my Opera. Here you can see you can and work on here also. Okay. And it is I will tell you default browser style only. I will explain you what is default browser style in HTML because this is very helpful for anyone because anyone using a Opera. But you can not using a Google Chrome. Please using a Google Chrome because it is also a default browser. Okay, you can use a Google Chrome. I hope you cannot use a Opera because there is some mistake on Opera. Okay, so please use a Google Chrome or browser. You can use Google Chrome browser. Okay, so I will hope you guys learn thing in that video, and I hope you enjoy this class. Enjoy, like my video, share your friends, and subscribe to my channel. So for today, goodbye.